Times you must have heard it that money cannot buy happiness. How many of you heard it? Right? है ना? पैसा आपको खुशी नहीं ला सकता. करेक्ट? कितना भी ले लो नहीं आएगा खुशी. ऐसा आएगा ना उड़ उड़ के आएगा तब भी नहीं आएगा खुशी. नहीं आएगा खुशी. Correct? How many of you believe that money actually cannot buy happiness? It can buy you things, but it can't buy happiness. You all believe? Great. Now, how many of you believe but still want more money? Look at that now. All of you guys raised and said, "ये हाथ से उठाया, money can't buy happiness, but I want more." Isn't that true? With your left hand you say, "Money can't buy happiness." With your right hand say, "Oh, actually चाहिए प्रभु जी." Oh God. And if you're Marwadi Gujarati, thriller. I'm Marwadi. I used to be. I still am actually. And whoever's Gujarati here is Gujarati. No problem. Marwadi Gujarati are the most amazing communities doing so much service, contributing, earning and giving. Greatest charity work is done by these two communities actually. You know? लेकिन नाम खराब है बेचारों का. And they don't mind being joked at. They never take offense. Others take offense. Marwadi Gujarati बोला और बोलो प्रभु. One Gujarati guy wrote on our Facebook, "Thank you for making us famous by cracking jokes on us." ऐसा लिखा मेरे को Facebook पे मैं बोला ठीक है और 4 सुनाता हूँ मैं, don't worry. Oh God, can you imagine there was a Marwadi lawyer and a Gujarati doctor. And the Gujarati doctor, poor fellow, he just wouldn't get a job. So he decided to start a clinic. And on top of his clinic, he wrote 20 rupees to get any problem solved. If problem is not solved, 100 rupees back. So Marwadi lawyer passed by. He saw, इसको तो उल्लू बना सकता है अपन आराम से. 20 रुपया बोलता है और बोलता है अगर ट्रीट नहीं होगा तो 100 रुपया वापस देगा. अभी तो 100 निकाल के रहूंगा मैं इससे. So the Marwadi lawyer came and he said to the Gujarati doctor, "Sir, I have lost my taste. Can you bring it back?" So the doctor told his compounder, bring bottle number 22 and put some drops on his tongue. So the compounder brought and put few drops from bottle number 22 on the tongue of the Marwadi lawyer. And he shouted, "Hey, what is this? This is petrol." He said, "You gained your taste back. Give me 20 rupees. Give me 20 rupees. So the Marwadi lawyer was like, "Now man, I have to do something about it now." So the next time he went and went to the doctor, he said to the Gujarati doctor, "Doctor, I'm sorry, but I have lost my memory. Kuch yaad nahi. Can you treat, please?" So the doctor told the compounder, "Can you bring bottle number 22 and put a few drops?" He said, "That's petrol." Doctor said, "Memory back. Give 20 rupees. Your memory is back. Now pay back 20 rupees." The third time this Marwadi lawyer said, "Now I have to crack this guy, you know." He went again to the doctor and said, "Doctor, I've lost my eyesight. Kuch dikhta nahi. Can you bring my eyesight back?" He said, "That's the only problem we cannot cure." So I told the compounder, 100 रुपया दे उसको. So compounder ने 20 ही दिया. तो बोला 20 रुपया, बोला eyesight मिला ना, चला 100 रुपया वापस दे. I'll tell you, smart guys, you know, the Gujjus bet the Marus. But with all the money we may get, whichever way, jokes apart, we can buy so much stuff, and all the stuff that we have has utility value, not happiness value. A laptop has utility value. A phone has utility value. A car has utility value. A house has utility value. Clothes have utility value. Don't ascribe happiness value to something that only has utility value. Utility है भगवान की दया से बड़ी गाड़ी मिले चला लो, लेकिन उसमें सुख मत ढूंढो ना. सुख कहां से मिलेगा? उसमें है ही नहीं. उसका तो काम करने के लिए बना है. गाड़ी सुख के लिए थोड़ी बनी है, वो तो ट्रैवल करने के लिए बनी है. अच्छी है, स्टेटस बन गया, भगवान की दया से बड़ी मिल गई, ले लो, कौन मना कर रहा है? लेकिन उसमें सुख ढूंढना, हाय हाय. But we all have these desires and we all keep fulfilling these desires. In your early 20s till late, as in this 20s, you have this wrong concept of happiness. Let me work hard, let me get all the money, let me buy all of that stuff, let me get all the phones, let me have those palaces, let me have my dream house, let me have my dream car, and I'll be happy. You dream. All 20-year-olds between 20 and 30 are dreamers. And there's nothing wrong with dreaming. There's nothing wrong with earning. And there's nothing wrong with having. But to dream that this is what will make you happy, I'm sorry to say, I'm just saying, don't make the mistake of equating your happiness with something that only has utility value.